Hello, hello. Today it's about removing Microsoft Python installation. For some of you, it might have been surprising and annoying that Microsoft Python is some taking over the normal Python installation which you have on your system. And I can give you some guidance now today, and we just have to take a look a short time in the in the settings on Windows, and then we'll be fine. So first you open the Windows R and then the CMD, and we search for a whip where is the Python, and we see, oh, okay, for example, the Microsoft Python is before our one, so it is uh, preferred by the system. So mm, maybe not want to prefer this. So we open the Windows I and then environment, and then we can find it here, and we can one too much. We can go to environment setting and we can first try to push this to the top. So this is the first one. So if you don't want to delete it, you can also do this. And then you have to restart CMD because this will still show the other one. So if you now do a refund, it will look correctly. But we want to, as I give in the title, we want to really delete it. So we want to delete it and not only kill the environment. So we need to go to this path. Let's go to this path and just maybe delete all the Python files. Oh, sorry. So go in here and we see, oh, okay, there's a lot of stuff, and we also have th three of those. And I would just say delete. So you can also rename them if you want, so they will not be considered. But you can also just do this. So if you now do WordPress, all the others are gone. So you should be free to pip install open by Excel or something like that. If you want to install anything on your Python, you can do it like this, defaulting to user installation, resource, blah, blah, blah. And then we can say open by Excel minus version. And then we have this. So I did some checks, but it was wrong. We have to do this. And now you see, okay, it has been successfully been in the correct location installed, and not anywhere else, which we don't want. So that's the solution, and I want to really give you some thanks for all the attention and so on. And yeah, let's let's catch up and tell me your thoughts about it all. Thank you very much. Bye.